In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp segments. If you've ever found yourself needing to manage your audience more effectively, or wonder how to send more targeted communications, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to divide your audience into meaningful groups, which can enhance your marketing efforts and increase engagement. Let's start by logging into your Mailchimp account. This is your gateway to organizing and managing your email lists. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the Audience tab. This is your hub for everything related to your subscribers. It's like the central brain of Mailchimp, where all the data related to your contacts is kept. If you have multiple audiences, you'll need to select the specific one you want to work with. This step is crucial because it determines which contacts you'll be segmenting today. Next, click on All Contacts. This action brings up a comprehensive view of everyone in your chosen audience. Think of this as your main contact list where each subscriber is displayed. It's from here that you'll start crafting your segments. Now, look for the Create Segment button. When you click on this button, you're opening the door to a world of flexibility and precision in email marketing. You're then presented with various conditions via drop-down menus. This is where you get to decide how you want to split up your audience. Mailchimp provides a variety of options. You could segment people by the tags you've assigned them, perhaps based on their interaction history or interests, or maybe you're interested in segmenting by sign-up source to see where your subscribers originated from. There are options for location, email engagement, purchase behavior, and so much more. Each of these criteria helps you tailor your communications to match the specific needs and behavior of your audience. As you select your criteria, you'll find that you can add multiple conditions. Here, there are two logical operatives you can use, and or. Selecting and means that your contacts must meet all of the conditions you've set. It's a way to narrow down your audience to a very specific group. On the other hand, choosing OR means that the contact has to meet at least one of these conditions, allowing for a broader segment that still targets specific behaviors or demographics. Before you finalize your segment, it's a good idea to click on Preview Segment. This way you can see exactly how many contacts match your criteria and ensure it aligns with your expectations. If you're satisfied with the result, the final step is to click Save Segment. Give your segment a name that clearly defines its criteria, making it easy to reference in the future. And that's it. You've just created a Mailchimp segment. This knowledge empowers you to send relevant content that resonates with your audience's unique needs. Take some time to explore further and see the impact on your email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy segmenting.